You want me to try the twisted top trend on TikTok? Let's try it. You take down one sleeve and then you twist. Put it back on. Okay, yes, I love it.
I'm very picky with fashion, so I don't know if I'm going to like this. I do not like it. I love it. I do not like it. I love it. I do not like it at all. I love it. I do not like it. Okay, I really don't like that. Take it off.
Okay, I'm in love with this trend, but I'm not going to buy anything looking like that. So instead I'm going to make it myself, saw this on TikTok. What you need is a silk ribbon and a needle like this. Attach it to your jeans, button of the jeans. Tie it around your waist and voila!
Every time you get dressed, remember that if you die, that will be your forever ghost outfit.
I love this knitted vest, but I don't think this fits my body type. So what I do is I take a belt, put it under my knitted vest. I tuck the vest underneath the belt. Doesn't this look so much better? You can easily upgrade a white plain t-shirt with a scarf. Just do it like this. Clutch plus belt give you a shoulder bag.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to style 3 items that I regret buying. First item, I feel like Carrie Bradshaw in this skirt, and that's why I can't sell it. I always feel short in these. Just know, I'm going to sell these. Since it's so cute, why don't I use it?
Wait. Are you talking about this style or this style? Because I can also do like this style if you were talking about this. Or I don't know if you were talking about this style, because this one's kind of
Okay. Since it's almost summer, we have this white college sweater dress. I wanted something in color, so we have this yellow cute skirt top.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to de-stress. Sun sets behind downtown skyline. My headphones on, play my favorite song. Turn the volume up all the way on my phone. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, no neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just sit away like whoa, oh, no. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just sit away like whoa, oh, no. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Walk down the street and I move to the snare. Throw my hands up to the bass like a prayer. Stars shine behind downtown skyline. Don't overthink tonight, just gonna dance. Fall for the rhythm, a sonic romance. Pulsing